Ian is back over open water and has regained hurricane strength after devastating a wide swath of Florida. So far, 7 people have died because of the storm. Some communities have been reduced to rubble and millions of people are in the dark this evening. News 2's Fallon Brown with a look at the damage and how Louisiana is lending a helping hand.
For parts of Florida, Hurricane Ian passed through, leaving a path of destruction.
Lots of flooding, obviously.
Vehicles and homes submerged in floodwaters. Pieces of buildings and belongings scattered all over the beach in Fort Myers.
Driving through, you can see a lot of damage off on the side of the road.
The Cajun Navy ground force headed that way to provide much-needed assistance from Louisiana. This Facebook Live shows what its members are seeing on the ground.
We're looking for a place to set up safe camp and get relief efforts rolling.
And that's not even the half of it. Louisiana is stepping in with relief efforts from all over.
The governor is asking us to reach out to our counterparts in other states, in this case the state of Florida, to determine what do they need, how might we assist, understanding that we've got a lot of experience in disasters, and we want to be as helpful to them as those states have been to us.
The governor's Office of Homeland Security and Emergency Preparedness sending out all available and necessary resources to the site of the disaster. On Thursday, the Louisiana National Guard was packing up and heading out from Slidell on its way to the strike zone.
Our National Guard, and working with the National Guard for the state of Florida, has worked on some transportation equipment, big trucks, route clearance, things like that, as well as some helicopters to assist in search and rescue and damage assessments and those sorts of things.
A lot of helping hands going Florida's way, all to help out a community that has helped us out many times before.
There's going to be a need for a lot of assistance in this community.
Fallon Brown, WBRZ News 2.